Hello again, and welcome to the Badjr. In this video, we will go through adding of devices to a client site as well as how to monitor those devices. First, we will go to a client site, click on Devices, and click Scan Network. This will bring us to the Scan Network page. From here, if we go to Scan Network, we will have the option to scan for devices on any range the Badjr can see. So if this is a device we want to add that's on the LAN, we can scan the LAN. Or if there's an unknown router on the WAN side of the Badjr, we can scan the WAN network to find it. Even alternate VLAN ranges can be scanned. Once the scan has run through, we will see all devices the Badjr has visibility of on that network. You will see the IP address, MAC address, latency, what port it's connected to on the Badjr. Do note that if all devices are connecting via a switch, all the devices will show as connecting through the same port. This is helpful if you have multiple switches connected to the Badjr through different ports and you need to track down a specific device. Then we also see how the device is connected. If the device is set up to use DHCP, this will show as DHCP assigned. If the device has a static address assigned locally, this will show as self or other assigned. It is always recommended to have all LAN devices set to DHCP to avoid the Badjr assigning an IP address to another device. Once we have found the device we want to add, click Add Onsite Device. Adding a device will bind the DHCP assigned IP to the device's MAC address, so that even if the device is using DHCP, it will always retain the IP address it's bound to. Then here we can add the name of the device. We can give it a description, choose its type. Its type will indicate where on the device's page it will be displayed. We can add a comment or note. The IP address can also be changed if it needs to be something specific, and the Badjr will then bind that new IP address to that device. Connectivity type can be cabled or Wi-Fi, and a physical location can also be mentioned. Then regarding the critical device option, if I select this, when the device goes offline, it will appear on the alert board along with any other sites or WAN links that are offline. The active device option is to enable or disable the status icon for this device. It's best to leave this on to see what devices are online or offline from the device's page. Monitor this device will send alerts via email to your support email address that was configured when you created your partner. Now once we save, let's take that device offline and look at the alert board. You will see that device go down if it is offline on the alert board. In the next video, I will go through services and remote access to devices. Thanks for watching.